A 41-year-old lady who was determined to have Crohn's disease quite long when consumed Heinz Ketchup packet stuck inside her stomach. As per the report, the lady started encountering suffering and swelling in her guts in 2007. She wasn't getting thinner and her blood tests have not shown any changes. She wasn't contaminated with an intestinal parasite. Her suffering regularly went on for a couple of days with consumed Heinz Ketchup packet. The examination of her colon taken from a get-go in her intestinal system uncovered a few polyps that her specialists at Haverwood and Wexham Stock Healing Facility in the UK thought could be an indication of Crohn's ailment. They recommended her a mitigating drug and kept watch. After 4 years, the substance had moved drop down in her stomach area. With no other clarification, no tumors, no contamination, her specialists accepted she had Crohn's illness. This incendiary uncles infection ordinarily influences the stomach-related tract and can prompt stomach suffering. Albeit a few cases can be serious, Crohn's illness isn't remarkable, as the patient's side effects compounded. A year in the wake of starting her medicine, she was admitted to the clinic 4 times since her gut's responsible for pain. The images represent uncovered thickening of her intestinal dividers that again caused Crohn's illness. Her specialists measured the choices, thinking about whether a more grounded medicine was justified. In any case, given the reduced healing center visits and intensifying illness, they selected surgery. Furthermore, that was the point at which they discovered it. An operation to evacuate some portion of her colon, an intercession with regards to Crohn's infection treatment. The specialist saw a mass at the very end of her small digestive tract. The more intensive look uncovered 2 bits of plastic bearing the word Heinz on them, the contextual analysis creators composed. They noticed that the patient had no current memory of expending a supper, including the item discovered intraoperatively. To the best of her insight, she had never eaten the dispensable piece of a solitary serving ketchup parcel. After 4 years, the illness had moved drop down in her stomach area. With no other clarification, no tumors, no contamination, her specialists expected she had Crohn's sickness. This provocative entrail ailment ordinarily influences the stomach-related tract and can prompt stomach illness. Identified the words of consumed Heinz Ketchup packet. She starting her medicine and admitted to the healing facility 4 times since her guts discouraged. Imaging thanks about uncovered the thickening of her intestinal dividers that again emulated Crohn's sickness. Meanwhile, her specialists measured the choices, thinking about whether a more grounded drug was justified. Be that as it may, given the reduced doctor's facility visits and declining illness, they settled on surgery. An operation to evacuate some portion of her colon, an intercession with regards to Crohn's illness treatment. However, the specialist saw a mass at the very end of her small digestive system. The more intensive look uncovered 2 bits of plastic bearing the word Heinz on them, the contextual analysis creators composed. They noticed that the patient had no current memory of devouring a supper, including the item discovered intraoperatively. To the best of her insight, she had never eaten the expendable piece of a solitary consumed Heinz Ketchup parcel.